So yeah, it looks like a fantastic site here. Let's just go on to Simulator, because I know I've had a few questions from people sort of asking if I can show them the simulator. So in this video, we're reviewing the website CasinoMonkey, which is of course part of the site OddsMonkey. I'm going to let you know if it's worth your time and effort and what you get if you decide to sign up to their site. Hey, welcome back to the channel. For those of you new here, my name's Chris, and on here I love talking about how to make money online and how to be smarter with your money. If you're not already signed up to the Profit Boss Match Betting Facebook group, of course there is the link in the description for you to do so. So getting straight on the laptop then and having a look at this. So obviously CasinoMonkey is part of OddsMonkey, and this is just their separate casino site. Just like Profit Accumulator have Bonus Accumulator, CasinoMonkey is OddsMonkey's version. Now, this is the homepage here, so it looks very nicely set out, and it looks as if there is even an app as well, which you can track everything on your phone, which is cool. Then you've got things here, so offers, guides, tutorials, advanced profit tracker, casino simulator, calculators and other tools, and then it says full support from experienced staff. Sign up today, and on a monthly payment, it's saying, so for a player subscription, it's saying $14.99 a month, and sign up now. And then for high roller, $19.99 a month, which is the same price, I believe, as the bonus accumulator version. Now I'm just trying to look at the differences here. So it says high risk reload offers, but you don't get those with the player version. And then it says high risk sign up offers. Some of you may not be bothered about the high risk stuff. It says integrated simulator, which isn't, it doesn't look like that's included there. So you get a bit more stuff here, obviously, for the higher roller package. Includes everything from the player package plus and then these things. So I'm going to go ahead and sign up to this high roller package then. Just to confirm, the high roller package on an annual basis is $149.99. So there is a saving there, but I believe most people will want to go with it as a monthly thing. If you appreciate me spending my own money here, do press the like button on this video. Let's go ahead now and click up sign up, and we'll have a look at everything that's involved with it. That's brought us to the standard sort of sign up page, so I'll go ahead and fill out all the details here. So I filled out my basic details, and then it's brought me to this page, which is of course the payment page. So I'm just making sure here it says high roller access, $19.99 a month. Is that asking for a promo code, which I do not have a promo code. But then it shows you everything that you get with it, and it says cancel your renewal at any time. So yeah, I'll go ahead and fill out all my payment details here, and we'll skip to the next page then. Okay, so I've paid for the month subscription, and it's popped up with high roller information. You must confirm that you've read and understood this guide before continuing as a high roller member. And it says high risk offers can appear a daunting prospect by approaching them with the right mindset. They don't have to be. And it says these offers must be approached with caution. You should already have casino experience from the lower medium risk offers, a bankroll that can sustain losing streaks, a clear understanding of the terms and conditions of every offer you are completing, and a disciplined mentality towards casinos. If you cannot meet this criteria, high-risk offers are probably not right for you at this time. And it says these offers and strategies are designed for users that are prepared to always follow the documented strategies and trust the long-term expected value. The high-risk casino strategies offer long-term value. Your money is at risk. If you're having any doubts, we advise that you continue following low and medium risk offers, as there is significant value from ongoing reloads. And then there's a guide here on bankroll. So high risk offers come with high bust rates, 60 to 90%. This in turn means you will have you will have losing streaks. You could find yourself on a run of losing your deposit 10 times in a row. For this reason, we recommend that you only ever deposit 2% of your bankroll per offer so you can handle these streaks. If an offer requires a £100 deposit, a bankroll of £5,000 will be recommended. You do not want to be in a situation where you've invested too much of your bankroll and risk being wiped out by an inevitable losing streak. And then it says high risk can come with high reward. These offers have high expected value. And as we use bigger stakes on these offers, the times when you do win, the wins are usually bigger. And that's why actually when you see people that do high risk casino offers, you'll see these crazy wins of say £2,000, £3,000. It's because they might have done say 10 offers which require £100 deposit and lost 10 offers in a row and lost £1,000. But then obviously when they hit £2,000, £3,000 wins, that's going to put you right back up into that profit there. Then scrolling a bit further down, it says deposits. You don't have to deposit the maximum amount of money for an offer. Protecting your bankroll is important. If you don't have a £5,000 bankroll, do not deposit £100 into an offer as you're putting your bankroll at risk during any losing streak. So yeah, sticking to a 2% of your bankroll rule for deposits sounds, yeah, that's what they're advising there. That sounds good. And then it says offers. Every offer that is listed will contain the information required for you to complete an offer. And then it says bonus type, recommended deposit, max deposit, bankroll required, and recommended game to play. And it says this is purely a recommendation. You can choose a different game from the eligible ones in the stated in the terms there. So yeah, you must confirm that you've read this guide before proceeding. Marking this guide as read confirms that you understand the nature of high-risk casino offers. So yeah, we'll go ahead and click confirm there. Right, so now we've read all that. This is what you presented with. So yeah, profit tracker, EV calculator, then you got a slots database, wagering calculator, the simulator community, view welcome video, and it looks pretty good, I would say, on the face of it. There's beginner guides here. So what is a casino? Let's click on read guide and see how good these guides are. So yeah, time to read 5 minutes, and we can just have a look through. And there's no video guide with that. It is just a simple a read through. So that some people might not want that. They might want some actual video guides. Now this is just popped up as a video there, so I'll go ahead and play this for you to have a watch.
Video will show you how to navigate your dashboard and how you can use it to maximize your CasinoMonkey profits. The dashboard. When you log into CasinoMonkey, you'll be taken to your dashboard page. The dynamic dashboard is tailored to you, showing you which training guides to read to get started and the most suitable offers that are currently available. As you complete offers, you'll automatically see new offers drop into your dashboard. There are 3 main areas of the dashboard. Guides. This area will show you the 3 most important guides on the site. We recommend that you read these short guides before you start completing any offers, just so you understand the basics of CasinoMonkey and are therefore able to maximize your profits. Once you've read a guide, you can mark it as read, so that you can quickly and easily see which guides you have left to read. When you've completed all of the beginner guides, you can hide this section. If at any time you'd like to add them back into your dashboard, you can do so by visiting the site settings area of your My Account page. Alternatively, you can read the guides from the Guides page. Sign up offers. This section shows you the next 4 sign-up offers that we recommend you complete next. You can hide offers by clicking the Hide icon and telling us why you'd like to hide it. This helps us to better tailor offers for you in the future. Or, if you've completed the offer, you can mark it as complete and then add your profit amount. As you mark offers as complete or hidden, you'll see that new offers drop into your dashboard, so you'll always be able to see your next recommended offers. You may want to see all of the offers, and you can do that easily by clicking on the More link here, or by selecting Offers and then Sign Up Offers from the main navigation menu. Life after sign-ups. If you've been busy and have managed to complete all of the sign-up offers, don't worry, there is life after sign-ups. There are plenty of reload offers available in the next section of your dashboard. Again, you can easily mark these offers as completed, or hide them for any reason, and another offer will drop in. You can see here on the offer card that this offer repeats weekly, and you can complete it on Wednesdays, Thursdays or Fridays. The current day will always be shown at the start of the calendar. Just like with the sign-up offers, you can easily see the full list of reload offers by clicking the More link above the offer cards on the dashboard, or by using the main navigation menu. If you've got any questions, please contact us using the Help tab at the top, and our team will be happy to help you.
Okay, so that's just a nice little explainer video there, so I'll go ahead and click on Don't Show Again and then close that. I think that's pretty much just shown you everything then that you need to know. So sign-up offers, start earning, and it says you have 114 new offers worth £1,703. Life after sign-ups, you have 69 new offers, and that says worth £163. So yeah, it looks like a fantastic site here. Let's just go on to Simulator, because I know I've had a few questions from people sort of asking if I can show them the simulator. So yeah, bonus type, you would simply click like free spins, whatever the bonus type is, and then like if it's a slot game, medium variance, and then we'll put 96.1 if it's the Starburst game. And deposit £10 and then 30 free spins we'll use as an example, with 20 pence as the free spin stake. And wager winnings, we'll leave that as 0 if it's going to be cash winnings. And then we can go ahead and, so I'll put stake as in 20 pence, and then we'll go ahead and click start. And yeah, that's just going to simulate the offer there. And yeah, literally time taken 4 minutes, expected value £5.37, and it's really, really cool, nice and simple, and it's got all the different options there with you know, all the different bonus types, so that's cool. And you can use the slots finder here to check out all the different slots that are available. It's going to show you the variants of them, the return to player, who the game's even made by, so that's really cool. And if we go over back to the dashboard, so you got these, yeah, sign-up offers, reload offers. We'll go ahead and click on View More to look at all of the offers on one screen. So yeah, if I have a scroll through then for people to have a look quick, you can see there's quite a fair few offers there. Well, it says 114. So yeah, and then it's got guides here. We'll have a check on that, see what we've got. So yeah, quite a fair few guides there to really get you into it. So what is casino? Casino offers and how we profit. Types of bonuses, offer risks. Yeah, and where to start, approach and mindset, tips and strategies, bankroll management, responsible gambling. Obviously, we know it's not gambling. It's approaching the offers and taking the expected value. But I suppose in this guide, they're going to want to talk to you about how these games are designed to try and get you into gambling. So yeah, it's just really helpful here on just making sure that you don't get sucked into it and you know, losing money. That's not what this is about. We're about just making money here and taking the expected value. Never be tempted to carry on wagering and lose money to them. For any questions that you have involved with CasinoMonkey then, please do get involved on one of the live streams that I do on the channel here, Monday to Thursday, 7 till 8 p.m. And I'll be happy to answer any questions that you've got, of course. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found the value from it, then please do press the like button as I mentioned earlier in the video. And until next time, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.